In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make mock-ups of things in Midjourney. So whether you want a mock-up of a website or a product, whatever it is you need, you can do this with anything. So there's two methods to do this, a free one and a paid one. First one is the free one. You want to type in on Google what you're trying to make. So if you want to make an iPhone mock-up, for example, you can type that in there and you can get an image like this. We can click here. We can save this image here. And we can go to Midjourney, we can do /describe. We can click here and add in the image here. Hit enter and that's going to describe the image we've just created. Now, from this description, it's going to give us 4 options and we can pick the one that best fits. So, I'm going to say the first one just to be quick, but it could be any of these. And also, none of them might not fit. So, you can refresh them and do them again. Now, as this creates a image from that prompt it's just created, I'm going to show you the paid version. So I'm going to come to a website called PromptBase, and let's say we want to make a mock-up of a product. We can type in product mock-up. We can go to Midjourney here, and okay, let's see what kind of product we're selling. Let's say we are selling something with a white background. So we can get this prompt here, and this prompt is basically going to make a mock-up of something on a white background. And to get this, you're going to pay $3.99 for it, and then you can get the prompt. So the way this works is that they will give you instructions on how to customize their keywords and their prompt to get your desired results. So if you want to get a photo of a lipstick and make a mock-up of that, they'll teach you how to do that. Now, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like, subscribe and comment down below that it worked. Now before I go, I'm going to show you the mock-up that is created from the free version. And you can see that these are pretty good mock-ups based upon this. Thank you for watching.